I'm not a Muslim, but I wish that the Caliphate would come back, and I'll tell you why. The Caliphate have a way to protect the poor people. The jizya that we used to pay, it's only for the rich Jews. Poor Jews that didn't have money used to receive tax credit from the Muslims. Caliphate was the justice among the Caliphate was amazing. We see that the Muslim nation today are divided because world superpowers, in order to weaken the Muslims and to enjoy and to take advantage of their natural amazing resources, which they have combined all over the Muslim area, oil and gold. One strong caliphate from Morocco to Pakistan, to Bangladesh, would be a solid caliphate which will bring a lot of honor, unity, prosperity, justice. Zionism will come to an end. All the rabbis before the Second World War said that the Zionists will be driven out of Palestine, but Jews would remain with the Palestinians.